Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are what considered a crime, communication aside, we're all just fighting tonight. Is this an argument or just a start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater thirst. A greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got, try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel this tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of like my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
And it has stopped raining. It's actually bright outside there, so hopefully it can stop leaking from the roof. It has stopped leaking from the roof, but obviously the leak is within this wall. I'm not sure how, but it's coming between the toilet, the rear bedroom, and there's another bedroom just directly opposite. So in between these three rooms, or in between these walls, there's somewhere where it is leaking. But that didn't help, because that was just one of the problems. The plumbing also got flooded, so it started bringing water back in the house. I never experienced that, but certainly it has been an eye-opening or a learning. So what I'm trying to do here is to try and knock out some of the water, so that I can reduce the humidity in the house. Fortunately, this floor is high, but the bedrooms are all carpets. So the carpets are all wet because it has flooded from the toilet into the carpets. So yeah, all the carpets are wet. The underfelt is really like swampy. It's really like step on water all the time. It will probably take more days to dry, but certainly the carpet will just need to be ripped off because it's really affected. Fortunately the back where the tiles are, I think once it dries, it will be back to normal quite quickly. It's only the carpet, the bedrooms where we sleep, probably will need a week to dry. But long term, probably just to rip the carpets because they are damaged so much. Because water on the carpet is just not very good for them. Because once they dry, the carpet starts having a stench as well. So it becomes uncomfortable to sleep in there. But what can you do? Yeah, it would be good, probably, to consider putting tiles. I don't know. But this place is also very extreme in terms of the weather. So on one hand you have the cold season getting very cold, so you would want the carpet during the cold season because it keeps the room warm. On another hand, when it's really hot, the carpets heat up quite a lot and escalates the temperature in the room because this place gets very hot. The tiles are good, they quickly cool down, but during the hot season also they make the room very hot as well, but not they cool down quite quickly, which is the advantage. But the carpet is opposite. It doesn't cool down quite quickly, so it retains the heat. So you would have to douse it down with the aircon. So that's the dilemma we have. But I'm just having an experience. This is my first time to be confronted with a situation where I have to deal with a house that has been flooded. Fortunately, the rain stopped quite early. Actually, if you look outside, which you probably won't think that it was raining. You probably think it wasn't. It's actually dry now. The sun is out, so what a huge contrast. But you can still see some water on the ground. But that's the situation here. This is Saturday, 29 March 2025. Yeah. So that's what's occupying me this morning. So we started quite early. We started fixing this early in the morning. I've been trying to mop this way from as early as 5 a.m. Pretty much 10 o'clock. So we're pretty much doing the same thing. I've carried buckets and buckets numerous buckets. This is one more bucket that's going out. Get many of these. Yes, so this is one of them.
No one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
So that the water will just splat yeah, that's it. No, don't make too much deep. Just got this way. Yeah, just yeah. It's okay, just to make the water flow. Don't make it don't make it this deep because the water will stop there. And maybe just one more here. A bit, just one more deep. Yeah, that's it. That's it, Daddy. That's enough. See? So this one will just flow. Maybe one more here, Daddy. Maybe one more here, Daddy. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's enough. You can see the water is flowing.
Way back before we blew it all.